Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 3.7, renaming your worksheet fast. To change the name of your worksheet, simply go to the worksheet. In this case, it's rename. Highlight that particular sheet. You're going to see a list. Hit rename. You're going to see name highlighted. Backspace. Go to your keyboard, hit backspace, and type in whatever you want. New name, new sheet. There are limitations though. There are 31 characters, including spaces. Another method to rename the worksheet is hit home, cells, format, rename sheet. You can do the exact same approach as we did earlier. If you look down at the bottom of your worksheets, sheet 1 is highlighted. To remove that particular rename, click anywhere, the name will be saved. Renaming your worksheet, go back to FJG, right click, rename dog, click outside of the tab. If you need to respell, you can put day, just hit backspace, day. If you want to add more characters, there's a limit to the type of characters you can include. No colons, no backslashes, no forward slashes, no square brackets, no question marks, no asterisks. You can add anything up to 31 characters. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.